Hello, Stan and Steve. This is your native land. We welcome you. Enjoy the feast at hand.
I get it now. Canada's not a knockoff of America. It's our minor leagues. They test out a bunch of stuff, and whenever something's good enough, we call it up to the big leagues of the USA. Like Jim Carrey.
And hockey.
And lentils. For real, look it up.
I'm glad you're coming around, Dad, but something feels a little off about this place.
Hey there, can I top you off, yeah?
Wait, milk from a carton? Not a bag? And this bacon is crispy American strips, not floppy Canadian circles.
I'm sure it's nothing.
But what self-respecting Canadian would serve Krispy Kreme donuts instead of Tim Hortons?
First, you bug me about embracing our heritage, and now that I do, you're trying to take it away from me? We Canadians have a word for that, Steve. Beaver shit.
Listen up, eh? Let's welcome our two newest Smiths with a ceremonial toast of maple syrup. To Frank Zamboni and his miraculous ice-smoothing machine!